There, welcome to this memory planner unboxing. I have here in my hot little hands one of the new personal planners from the 2019 Heidi Swapp Memory Planner collection. And I'm super excited to unbox this one for you and show you what all this one holds. So are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, so you're going to see when you find this if you go to a regular scrapbook store or a big box store, you're going to find this probably hanging. It's got a hang tag here. You're going to find it hanging on the shelf. And so this is what you're going to look for. So this is the personal size, super groovy book. I'm going to try to show you some of the details going on here with this book. So not only is it that classic Heidi Swapp mint, but there is this texture detail going on here. And there is also this distressed sort of stamping, kind of a vintage little vibe. Vintage with this whole modern thing going on. Oh, and let's not forget about the title of this particular planner. Okay, let's do this. You go, girl. I love that so much. A person's going to love seeing this, greeting them every day and motivating them onto great things. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so inside, there are some beautiful aspects to this personal size planner. Mostly what I want to point out to you is each of the month tabs. So we are starting off with this gorgeous Love Is All You Need. It's this die cut tab, and it's up against this pink piece that says all you need is love and $1 million. And there is not a truer word spoken right there. When you go past that page, you're going to start right off with this January 1 sort of a dashboard type of page. And so this is this beautiful graphic work here, a blank page, and then a dot matrix down here on this part. When you open that up, then you're going to go to the monthly spread. And like all of Heidi Swapp's memory planner collections, you can start this any year. There is a stamp with numbers so that you can add your numbers at any starting point. So if you're giving this a gift later on in the year for someone, then they can use it 2019 or 2020. And then the rest of the monthly pages open up just exactly the same with the month at the top and then starting with Monday and a space for the date through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then a place down here for the notes. And you're going to see that plays out the same on every page once you're past the beginning tab, the dashboard, and the monthly spread. At the end of the month, there's this great, I love this opportunity to highlight and bullet point the month. And so there's a 1 through 10 plus a grid space here as well as a blank space here to add additional notes and just to really keep some great insight into the month that just passed. So then here is February, Just Be Kind. March is another awesome die cut tab. Oh yeah, you are limitless. It's a good day for a good day is what backs that one up. Then April, Ditch Your Comfort Zone. May, Love Your Life with this really fun on-trend watercolor type lip graphic going on. Then we have June, Ooh La La. July, pretty leaf print. There's No Time to Be Bored in a World as Beautiful as This. August, tab is You Totally Can. Is a fun black and white graphic to greet September. October, we're back to another die cut tab page. Do what you love with the ones you love, and it's backed up with this yellow page. Make it happen. November is blah, 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 no excuses. And December is yet another die cut tab. Happiness looks good on you. Hashtag babe. And a beautiful pink. I also want to point out, not only, like I said earlier, you got a spiral bound personal going on here. Super heavy duty front and back cover. And then the covers open up to this great dot pattern, have a little bit of distressing around the edges and a little bit more of this vintage sort of stamp look going on. It's just a real beautiful, on trend, yet kind of these classic little vintage touches going on as well. You can't miss with the mint and a greeting like, okay, let's do this. You go, girl. So that's a look at this personal size memory planner for the Heidi Swapp 2019 planner collection. So thank you so much for taking time to look at this planner, and I'll talk to you next time.